Okay, if this is long, I'm using metal, but it doesn't, it won't let me, stream, so the stream might end, like, at 2 minutes, so, like this video if you like dogs, subscribe if you like cats. The stream might end really, like, in 2 minutes or something like that, because, it keeps, what is it? It keeps stopping at random times. So, oh, score! That cat's gonna be ready for soccer. Oh, he's like a dog. Dog. It's a dog. This is the real dog. He's trying to catch his tail. He doesn't want him to stream. He wants loves. He wants love-ins. Aww. I bet the cat wants to play with him. Play with her. Never mind. This is WWE SmackDown. Come on. Oh! A frog flip! That's a lot. Ooh. Making a song. He doesn't like green stuff? Why is petting my... She cleans the spot. Oh. Wait, is that rubber band or... Is that a giant rubber... Oh, it's a lock. Something like that. Oh! Oh! Wow! Wow! This cat... Oh! Oh! The cat's like...
Why are you doing that?
I'm not sure why he's doing that. It's like, yeah. Do you like my massages? They're good, aren't they? I have a cone! What's wrong? Oh! Is that the tail? Ugh. That looks sick. Go! Where are you? Oh. He wants to... Oh, well, money. Wow. Is he doing that? Aww. Smack cat. No, moms. No. That kid's scared. Like, ooh. How dare you? How dare you? He sounds like he's underwater. Or something like that. Oh. No, 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 no. Oh yeah, get those whiskers. All those whiskers. Oh, ow, ew. Oh, that would hurt. Yeah, bite it. Bite it. Yeah. Oh! Did that break? Did the mirror break? Oh. Oh, it's a snake coming in. This guy's a parkour god. Like, where is it? I can't see. Oh, what do you mean? He's trying to crack his neck. He's like, he's like, oh! It's like, what is that? Is that a dog in the picture? Just letting you know.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah. Aw, nice conversation. They can't. Oh yeah, jam out, cat. Ooh, yeah. This cat's jamming out. Oh. He's like, his dad's like, let's give our cat some. What is that? What is that? Water or hand sanitizer? Looks like hand sanitizer. Oh, I know what that is. I know what type of fish is that. I know that fish. It's like for Fortnite. Oh, that Millennium Falcon's sick. Bro, stop smacking it. It didn't do anything to you. Yeah, bro, stop. There's good guys in that ship. That guy's terrified. It's like, who did that? It's like he's in space. Oh, I thought it was upside down, but no, he's just getting dragged. Yeah, he's like, no one saw anything. I definitely did not make a secret base in wood. Ooh. Oh, nah. This guy's actually, who made this is, like, this guy, whoever made that is a genius, like. Wait, does it keep repeating? I'll say, if it keeps repeating, that's gonna be torture to your cat. What's happening here? The cat's like, help! He looks like he's gonna die or pass out. Oh, we're sure the cat won't go flying. I don't trust this.
So, we're having breakfast together. I made him one little scrambled egg. I'm having myself some protein pancakes with maple syrup.
Ooh, a nice breakfast. Bro. Like, please, anybody that's watching my videos, there's no comments. Like, it's dry. People, like, whoever's watching these videos, can you please comment on any of my videos? Like, how do you like them, or any of that. That's what comments are for a reason and stuff, you know what I mean? So, like, can you get me to 30 subscribers? And if I get 30 subscribers, I can go live, I think. And then people could be in my videos. I'll put a tutorial, Minecraft tutorial, what server I'm using, and stuff. I'll show you any of the things I'll be using in Minecraft. I'll make a tutorial, okay. Wait, when should I stop this? I'm actually serious. Should I stop at like 10 minutes? Or stop at like... Yeah, I'll stop at like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'd be 18. Aww, I love you, buddy.
Thank God we're almost done here.
How does this cat love bats?
And why is she hanging here? I'm not your prey. You are not a
Never
predator.
mind, cats do not like bats.
Calm down.
Are they trying to Oh, this cat is actually the GOAT. He's the GOAT. He's the one. He should be in, like, the high top soccer games. Like, he's one of the best goalies. Why don't they just have a cat? They need, like, in the future, they need to have mechs, and the cats can control the mechs, like VR. And they have to, like, move, like, if you Dr. Robotnik, he had that one where he gets the green emerald, he has to move it with his body. They should have mechs like that in the future. And then cats could play soccer like, oh, the best goalies, like that would be amazing. That'd be more, it would be more cute and fun, obviously. And like, I don't know, I just want to see that. Like, yeah, he's even agreeing with me. He dropped his jaw. Huge pet. I've seen this cat, this type of cat. Oh, did he just crack his back? He's trying to open the door. This guy's a genius. He's Einstein. Real. He's like, stop, you're gonna fall. He's like, I'm saving you, stop, you're gonna fall. Yeah, it's like, I'm trying to save you, buddy. Where'd you just go? He's like, I'm on guard. Oh, he's licking it. They're in love. Wow. That cat loves dogs. Patty cake. What are you doing? What, you're bad. Whoever's doing that to the cat. Hey, don't you bro, that girl's bad. I don't like her. You saw? Yeah, leave. I would leave if you'd get grabbed from there. I'd just be zipping out without the zoomies.
Stop!
Oh,
he figured out what's
oh, I thought, yeah, that guy's, oh, this is WWE, actually. This is, like, wrestling. WWE, SmackDown. Oh. What's happening here? Is that a slinky? Looks like a slinky, or it looks like a spray. Oh, a rodent. The rodent. Where's that rodent? Oh. Is that Ratatouille? Bro. Is that Ratatouille? Hello? Is that Ratatouille? Like, what? Okay. Stop and stream.